Hey students, back again with the machine. Today is the day when I go get the flywheel off of the machine here. Get towards the screw them and hold the base of the engine together. And seal the base off of the engine. Tell you, these people who make them think them believe in a transfer of wealth, you know, because when they make them think inferior, so you have to hurry up and come back and buy more and support their economy. So we have to do what we have to do. You understand? Because them not sell them cheap, you see it? Yeah. Alright, my students. I observed this a while ago the machine tilt and I see a whole heap of gas just flow out. So pull off the muffler now if you can get easy access to the top of the piston. If you look good, you see the piston head inside there, so don't know if you can see it still. Yeah, man, see the piston head inside there, so now. So I can dry it off. You see me? I have to pull out the plug. But the adjustment right here up on the carburetor I would have want to fix up as well. But I will get towards the screw them that behind here, so, which is behind the flywheel today. And tighten up here, so. Seal it. Normally you could have used a gasket and seal it or something too. You see me? Make it closer ear lock. Alright, you have to get to this to pull off the fan. You have to jam the flywheel here, so. Or else there's no other way, because they make them in such a way where you can't even find the right tool. Because one of them are standard and one a metric. You see me? So I just told them build them cheap and wicked still. As I said, transfer of wealth, what them a try to deal with still, you see me? Yeah, so when you can't pull it, you have to hurry up and buy a new one. You know, we always figure it out. So me stay, is it? Alright, so now we have to get rid of them 4 screw here. Get over to where the flywheel is. Root off the flywheel and get to the other screws. Where they behind the flywheel, hold the base of the engine and then pull them and use the heat resistant silicone pallet and put it back together. Flywheel off. See how simple as I see this? Simple as I see this. Can't make it last. That's like a key. Lock the flywheel on the axle. Switch back the key holder. Right, that's how it's supposed to fit in. Anyway, them 4 screws you hold the machine down here, so. Simple as this. This is how them gloves and skirt build them sitting there, so you can't even fix them. You don't know where you do. Alright, so we take it apart now. Gasket paper the man they use right after, so and it burn out. It cause the machine to be able to see the other half. Yeah. We have to put on but the gasket make up on it now and put it back together. Then build them cheap and I sell them expensive, brother. I swear. Alright, I'm gonna put it back together. I'm gonna put on the flywheel yet still. But we have to re-grease the top there. Run come down all the way down there, so. I don't really want trouble the grease the silicone will protrude still, because it helps seal it off, you see me? So make it dry. When it dry, if anything you can rub it off. But anyway, no I disturb that. So now I just put on about the flywheel. I will put in about the screw them and everything already. You have to reseal the top, because you don't know everything you have to come, you have to dislodge. You see me? So here we go, you know. Flywheel are fixed. Put back inside of the machine. Don't know. I make it dry back. See, we I take time reassemble it, you know. Get it going. Yeah man, so it should be alright when I'm finished. You see it? You know. You understand? Alright, I almost finished putting it back together now. Don't watch the mess along the counter here, because you don't know. Things have many different areas. We have to search for. Yeah. Doing it, almost finished. I turn it and on it up. It's been alright. don't put him at the plug yet still, so it now no compression yet. You don't know. So good. Alright, put back together, you know. Draft start and it start up a little. Lock off, realize it that flood the plug. Cause it did have excess fuel in the line. But start up and run a little and then it shut off. What I do now, I throw the fuel out of it, disconnect the fuel from the chamber and dry it till it dry out. So just allow it make it dry properly and then we can start it. So big up on yourself. Anything you want to teach on yourself, it well learned here.